Hello everyone! In this video, we will be repairing a WAUDOG water fountain for cats and dogs. This is what the fountain looks like. Inside, it holds water, 2.5 liters. It works on the aquarium principle. There's a small pump here that delivers water to this spot. And right now, nothing is working. The water isn't being supplied. Now I'll show you what the malfunction looks like. I'll take a regular power bank and connect this USB plug to it. As you can see, it's drawing power. A small blue LED at the bottom has lit up, indicating the water level, but nothing is coming out at the top and there's no humming sound. We need to figure out what the problem is. First of all, we need to take out the pump and check if there's an issue with it or if it's jammed. To do this, disconnect the water dispenser from the power supply. Remove the top cover. Drain the excess water from it, and you need to remove this pump. Very carefully and slowly detach the electrical wire connector that is currently attached to the main plastic housing unit. It comes out easily. Next, you will need to disconnect the pump housing itself from the main assembly. There are two small latches located right here. You will need to carefully pry them up on both sides using either your fingernail or perhaps something sharp before you can successfully remove it from the main housing. I have these tweezers. We'll use them to gently pry up the rubber parts. This part is made of rubber. Very carefully and gently pry it up, and then remove it completely from the latches on both the left and right sides. Now the pump is removed along with the bracket. Check to make sure everything is clean in there. Then I'll wash everything with an old toothbrush to remove dirt and mold. But for now, let's focus on the pump. First of all, we need to get to the impeller that's inside. To do this, we need to remove this cover under which the filter is located. Gently press on these tabs. You can start by taking either a sharp utility knife or perhaps some other sharp tool like a screwdriver to carefully pry the components apart until they open. For this specific task, I'm going to use this small flathead screwdriver right here. Firmly press down on these small plastic tabs located on both sides of the device until the outer casing finally pops open. Just like this. If you take a look inside here, you can see a coarse mesh filter assembly. Next, we need to gain access to this propeller that is positioned right at the bottom here. So, pry apart these two parts and remove the second cover. Here's the propeller. Use tweezers to take it out of its place. Now you need to thoroughly rinse everything here. I can already see a piece of dirt here that's preventing it from turning. We'll clean everything under running water and check how it works. For washing, I'll use an old toothbrush and warm water. Dip it in the water and wash out everything that's inside. You can see there's a lot of dirt, some pieces of debris. Everything that prevents the pump from spinning. Additionally, make sure to thoroughly rinse the entire top cover area, where the sharp blades rotate during operation. And this is the specific outlet nozzle, where all of the water finally comes out. Additionally, you should thoroughly wash the rotating blades, which are meant to spin. You will likely notice there is a lot of grime and buildup accumulated on the magnetic component as well as on the blades themselves. Please make sure to wash every part very carefully using a soft brush so as to ensure that you do not damage or scratch anything. Now everything is clean. I'll also do a final cleaning inside here with a cotton swab and then reassemble everything in reverse order. Carefully take the swab and wipe all around inside here. You can also see a lot of dirt, some kind of mold. That also prevents it from spinning properly. Put the impeller back in place in reverse order and cover it with the lid. Just like this. As you can see, the pump model here is AD180C-0505B. The supply voltage is 5 volts. After cleaning, assemble everything in reverse order. put the filter back in place. I've already washed it. And let's check how it works. Don't forget, there's a water presence sensor here. It won't work dry, so for testing, place it in water. And connect the power. As you can see, the water is flowing, everything works. Cleaning helped. After that, assemble the pump in reverse order. There is a tiny electrical connector component right here, and we need to carefully reinsert it back into its original designated slot in this specific orientation, pushing it firmly until it reaches the end and cannot move any further. Next, carefully plug in the power cable into the designated power port, making sure to thread it through this opening here, so it is positioned securely. The unit is ready. You can place it into the drinker's lid. Insert the pump back into its place in the lid. Simply fit it on tightly until it clicks. The secure side latches have now firmly locked into position on both sides. And now you can carefully place the water drinker back into its original designated place. While using it, don't forget to rinse this filter as well as the filter on this side. If you remove the lid, you can find it here. These filters are often disposable, so make sure you have spares. And let's check how the drinker works. Go ahead and connect the portable power bank unit, and then check to verify that everything is working correctly. As you can see, the water is flowing and the pressure is good. Nothing is overflowing, it's working as it should. You have just watched a video on how to repair the WAUDOG water dispenser for cats and dogs if it stops dispensing water. Leave your feedback and comments, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us. Goodbye, everyone.